Hello everyone, this is video introduce key features of Vagueior Cordless Pressure Washer Gun, 950 psi portable power cleaner, with 21 volt, 4.0 amp hour battery and charging kit, 6-in-1 nozzle. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Overview or important features are include. Vagueior has a powerful 950 psi motor, which is more powerful than most electric cleaners on the market, and can easily remove stubborn dirt on the surface of objects. The battery is composed of 10 small batteries with a capacity of up to 4.0 amp hour, which is durable and can be used for 45 minutes after being fully charged. It is used for other electric tools. Cordless design, body about 2.5 pounds, easy to carry. The self-priming function is up to 13 feet, and the connecting hose allows the cleaning gun to draw water from any fresh water. The equipped filter screen can effectively remove impurities in the water source. Vagueior is equipped with 6-in-1 nozzle, high-pressure nozzle and low-pressure nozzle. The 6-in-1 nozzle has 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, fan mode, and shower mode. It is suitable for outdoor cleaning, such as car cleaning, garden cleaning, swimming pool cleaning, window cleaning, and garden watering. If you want to get more details, we recommend click link in the YouTube description, to see all of detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.